Hey everyone, welcome back to Learner Gigs. Today we are going to unlock the power of command line interface in RHEL 10. Are you ready to become a Linux master? Let's get started. So what is command line interface? It's a way to interact with your Linux system using commands. You will type command and the system will respond. It's like having the conversation with your computer. And the best part, you can automate tasks, manage files, and so much more. Okay, let's open our terminal. By default, you might already in your home directory. Let's verify by using pwd. This command will print the current working directory. Now let's list the file in our directory using ls. You can see what's inside your current directory. Now let's explore some basic commands. First we have cd, which changes the directory. Let's navigate to the document directory. Awesome. You can see the files and directory inside the document directory. Let's go back to the home directory using cd command. Let's create a new directory called Learn Linux using mkdir Learn Linux. Well done. You have created a new directory. Let's navigate into that directory using cd Learn Linux. Great job. You are now inside the Learn Linux directory. Let's create a new file called hello.txt using touch hello.txt. Excellent, you have created a new file. Finally, let's list the file in our directory using ls. You can see the hello.txt file. That's it for today's introduction to the command line interface in RHEL 10. You have learned basic navigation and commands. You are one step closer to become a Linux master. Keep practicing and you will be a pro in no time. Thanks for watching Learner Gigs. If you have any question or topic you would like to cover, leave them in comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Linux tutorial. See you in next video.